My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Onyeka don't come out to come call Victoria a married man snatcher, and also she don't give Cassia better woto even after Cassia apologized to her for yesterday's event for during the live eviction show. So during the live eviction show yesterday, for those of una wey be say know wetin sup and those wey be say no know wetin sup, Ebuka asked Cassia and Victoria certain questions, and we know that the problem started between Onyeka, Cassia and Victoria, but Ebuka chose to ignore Onyeka part and just focus on just Victoria and Cassia for that yesterday. According to him, they tried to expose Cassia, say Cassia lie. According to what she talk, say Cassia they claim to say Onyeka they be friends with the one ex-handed them because of vote, because she feels say they get strong fan base. On the other hand, he can attack Victoria to say Victoria try to kiss OC, Abina Oz, but Victoria to say no, say nothing like that. Say but he see her say she dey try to kiss the boy and all of that, be kiss and wanting. So Victoria denied the thing. Cassia no fit talk wetin she talk, she just dey stutter. I just believe to say Ebuka use a lawyer approach take attack Cassia, and I make Cassia just dey confused, because I don't go back to go check the video and I see to say wetin Cassia actually talk. Now I felt she not to say she actually hear am. I don't know whether they show in any other place, but I went back to that conversation. So after the whole thing wey be saying happen, because even for the what you call that, for the eviction show yesterday, for the background, some people they mention Cassia name, so definitely I believe say Cassia hear am. So maybe she can't feel guilty to say, it's like people for outside not like me, they hate me because of this thing where we say, so let me go and apologize, because she does say she not like wahala. She can't tell her husband say, okay Kelly, I won't go apologize to Onyeka for waiting happen. Her husband come one and say, babe, not try, and say if you try I go vex for you. So when Cassia come they talk to Andy come tell her say make she go apologize just to settle the team, make they not get beef within themselves and all of that. Cassia come carry her left leg, come go meet Onyeka to apologize. Especially when your husband tell you something, you not listen to the man where marry you for us. Now a stranger where you meet for inside the house, now you choose to take her advice. Come go apologize, give Onyeka. Apology don't finish now. Onyeka tell her say everything is fine, this one. Even fans online said the verse say why you apologize. Some they applaud her, say what she do, they okay, that it good that she apologize, she's the mature one and all of that. We can't sleep. Coming this morning now, they see Onyeka, they see the likes of Nelly, Soj, when the ex-handy they bring food, can't give Onyeka for bed, especially where they say I don't know what she demand for. So they can't give her food as they chop. She can't explain, give Nelly and Soj. Soj obviously be man, let's respect the old age. He sit down for there, they gossip. He can sit down for there, they talk. Onyeka they drag Cassia, they drag Victoria. According to Onyeka, she said Cassia only apologized to her because they catch her red-handed. So she did very sure say Cassia don't they talk bad things about her for some time now. Now Ebuka na can expose her. Can they tell Ebuka thank you for exposing them? Don't go further to call Cassia names like Bish and all of that. So for the Victoria, when she they explain, give Nelly about the Victoria, Nelly they claim to say na Victoria, and I tell and say one, as in Nelly they claim say she see Victoria, say see Victoria they try to kiss Ozzy, they say I want a kiss and all of that. So you can go they talk say well, say right from time Victoria being a pretender, say Victoria they follow married man, she they call Ozzy married man. Say now wait till she hear for inside there, say Ozzy don't marry, say she don't know whether not true, say but now wait till she hear Cassia talk about playfully when she and Victoria they talk, say come hear married man matter. Say Victoria na man hunter, now she now they pursue Ozzy, no be her. Say but you they claim since to say you and the guy not get anything, one thing. But now Ebuka don't expose you. She say Ebuka don't expose Snake Nyash. Snake, now she talk saying Snake Nyash. Cassia and what be her name? Victoria, now the night they don't expose their Nyash so. So with everything where we say don't sup this morning, we Onyeka the talk, the bash Victoria and Cassia, Nelly and her so-called boyfriend, they support the talk. One thing maybe I don't understand about Nelly. Now Nelly, you don't talk so many things with Cassia and Victoria for Onyeka back. Now you don't come this side. Is it that when you talk for your you carry the thing, go here, talk for here, all those type of things. I don't know what game you they play, but it's not really nice. We see how some people react for this apology where we say Cassia do and Onyeka reaction this morning. The first person here say, I feel like slapping Cassia now. She should have listened to her husband. Just look at how Miss Sneh is playing the victim. As for Madam Nyash, I don't have anything to say to her. Madam Nyash na Nelly. Another person say Cassia should have met this girl to apologize. Should not have met this girl to apologize. Onyeka, you are no saint, abeg. Another one say, why is Onyeka acting like she didn't gossip about people? Come put emoji recover am for face. The next one say, it's not your fault. Na Ebuka caused it. You are the number one ogonge for gossip. The next person say, this babe has issues and is bad. Like, how still bring my Victoria into your complications? Whether Cassia gossip, whether Victoria kiss man, all those ones no dey bother me. The thing where they pay me for Onyeka dey na the fact say your sister, they evict your sister. Babe, you no feel bad. Since you wake up this morning, you dey talk about Cassia and Victoria. You know they even remember your sister Chizoba where they remove. You know they even complain, say, "Ha, God, oh, now wow, my sister, I'm going to miss her." Oh. Even if you not go miss the girl, why not just pretend? Fake it. Fake it. Now all those kind of things fans they like. Victim card where we say this Onyeka they try to play this morning. It will not work. This is already 8 weeks. Arise has already people they won't arise for. Just believe say na Chizoba head they fight against Chizoba, against Onyeka. You rubbish your sister, you betrayed your sister before everybody, even made your fans go against the girl. Even tell your sister Chizoba to go and cry a river because una two they fight. Things now she supposed to think about. The thing where we say they pain Onyeka right now, that the fact say they no remove Cassia and they no evict Victoria. Now just the vex her. Had it been after Ebuka talk all those plenty things where he talk yesterday, they could remove the two of them. Hey, we for not hear word for timeline. We for not hear word for both inside house and outside the house. Without any sentiment whatsoever, if for reunion, if they start to play clip, if they start to show things where Onyeka don't talk about people, I'm not sure say anybody could be her friend for that house. She's not going to have any friends outside the house. So she better change now before it's too late. Kellyrae matter, Kellyrae don't come out to come explain to say Ingo actually tell the housemates say in they married. Now remember say it's like Ebuka don't they use scope to one blackmail the couples over this marriage strategy where we say they come into the show with any small thing. Go say what is your strategy? Any small thing go say, but I saw two of you kissing. You know, in just the I don't know whether they try to make them talk say they don't marry. So Kellyrae don't finally to say okay, oh, I go talk am. If I survive 9th week, we did 8th week like this. So now 9th week, he say go expose him on his birthday. His birthday is 29th of September. So according to him, say the reason why he not talk about him since now because in the fear say the housemaid they go use and take plot against the two of them. Say but now for 9th week, where we say not to say everything already they don't enter 10th week. Anybody where we say one. So Ingo just let them know say me and this lady Cassia we are married. I wish am good luck. Una take care. Una bye.